Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Safira Indri Nurhamidah, and I am a second semester from Mathematics Education Study Program at Universitas PGRI Madiun. Today I would like to talk about challenges in learning mathematics. Before I start, I want to ask a question. Have you ever felt confused, stressed, or afraid when learning mathematics? I think many students, including me, have felt that way. Sometimes, when we see many numbers and formulas, we feel nervous before even trying to solve a problem. Mathematics is often seen as a difficult subject, but actually, mathematics is very important in our daily lives. We use mathematics every day. For example, we use it when counting money, checking time, shopping, cooking, and solving problems. Mathematics also help us think carefully, logically, and step by step. Because of that, mathematics is an important subject for students. However, learning mathematics is not always easy. There are some challenges that students usually face. The first challenge is understanding formula and lessons. In mathematics, we don't only memorize formulas, but we also need to understand them. Sometimes such students can follow example from the teacher, but when the questions are different, they become confused. If we don't understand one lessons, it can be hard to understand the next lessons. That's why students need to pay attention and practice more. The second challenge is lack of confidence. Many students are afraid of making mistakes in mathematics. Because of that, they feel nervous when answering questions in class. Some students also think that they are not smart enough in mathematics. Actually, making mistakes is normal in learning process. We can learn from our mistakes and improve slowly. The third challenge is time management. As a college student, we have many assignments, group projects, presentations, and activities. Sometimes mathematics problems need a long time to solve. Mathematics also needs regular practice, not only reading books. So we must manage our time well between studying, activities, and resting. Another challenge is learning mathematics in English. There are many English words in mathematics, such as equation, fraction, function, theorem, and probability. Sometimes students understand the math, but they don't understand in English word. This can make learning more difficult, especially when reading books or material in English. Even though there are many challenges, there are also some solutions. First, we should practice regularly. The more we practice, the easier mathematics becomes. We should not give up when problems are difficult because every problem can help us learn something new. Second, we can study with friends or arts lecturers for help. Sometimes friends can explain lessons in a simple way, so it's easier to understand. Discussion can also make learning more fun and less stressful. Third, we should think positively. Instead of saying mathematics is too difficult, we should say I can learn mathematics slowly and step by step. Positive thinking can help us become more confident and motivated. So, in conclusion, learning mathematics is not always easy because students face many challenges such as understanding lessons, managing time, building confidence, and learning English vocabulary. However, with practice, hard work, passion, and confidence, we can overcome this challenge. Mathematics is important because it teaches us how to think carefully and solve problems in daily life. So we should not be afraid of mathematics. We just need to keep learning, practice, and believing in ourselves. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day, guys.